Hello there friends, come. I welcome you to this morning session where we are discussing to be successful in life. Because without success, we will not be able to achieve all the 12 riches as described by Napoleon Hill. There have been so many great philosophers, thinkers, poets who have been inspiring us and always reminding us that heights by great men kept reached were not attained by a sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, they were toiling upward in the night. Also you can hear lives of great men all remind us we can make our life sublime and departing leave behind us the footprints in the sands of time. But beloved friends, such great philosophers of the science of success, they have given some laid down principles of life. And these are by Napoleon Hill, Earl Nightingale, Norman Vincent Peale, William James, James Allen, George Bernard Shaw. They have all reminded us and they always encourage us that we should have a definite purpose in life, a chief aim in life, and we have a determination, a burning desire, an obsessed passion to achieve, and that nothing can escape our achievement and success. Because we can be master of our fate and we can be captain of our soul. But what we need is energy, enthusiasm, determination, conviction, belief and faith, the bulldog determination, and never to yield, to strive, to seek, to find, and go ahead, treading down all difficulties and dangers, adversities and misfortune of life. But the starting point of everything is an idea, a purpose, a definite goal in life, a knowledge where we want to go and what we want to achieve. But for that, we can never be successful in our life. So this morning we can discuss what is purpose and how we can be achieving that purpose in life. All successful men are men of purpose. They hold fast to an idea, a project, a plan, and will not let it go. They cherish it, brood upon it, tend and develop it, and when assailed by difficulties, they refuse to be beguiled into surrender. Indeed, the intensity of the purpose increases with the growing magnitude of the obstacles encountered. The men who have molded the destinies of the humanity have been men of mighty purpose. Purpose is highly concentrated thought. All the mental energies are directed to the attainment of an object, and the obstacles which intervene between the thinker and the object are one after another broken down and overcome. Purpose is the keystone in the temple of achievement. It binds and holds together in a complete whole that which would otherwise lie scattered and useless. Whims and fancies, vague desires, and half-hearted resolutions have no place in purpose. In the sustained determination to accomplish, there is an invincible power which swallows up all interfering considerations and marches direct to victory. The great leaders of the race are the mental road makers, and mankind follows in the intellectual and spiritual paths which they have carved out and they have given to us. Let's see the lives of the greats, what they have done. The Alexander, the Napoleon, Confucius, Buddha, Christ, all these great philosophers and warriors have a definite chief aim in life, and they really revolutionize the world by their courage, conviction, determination and daring. Purpose goes with intelligence. There are less and greater degree of purpose according with the degree of intelligence. A great mind will always have great purpose. A weak mind, a vain mind, a double-minded man will have very little purpose and most of the time they are trying to please others, they are trying to compromise with their convictions, belief and faith, and they hardly attain any great in life. What can resist an unshakable purpose? What can stand against it or turn it aside? Inert matter yields to a living force, and circumstance succumb to the power of purpose. Truly the man of unlawful purpose will in achieving his ends destroy himself. But the man of good and lawful purpose cannot fail. It only needs that he daily renew the fire and energy of his fixed resolve to consummate his object. Dear friends, that is the great story of success principles. The man of fixed purpose will never sacrifice his goal, will never yield to a fraction of his resolve, and that a man of definite chief aim of his life is a man of excellence and achievement, of success, greatness and power. Hindrances stimulate the man of purpose, difficulties nerve him to renewed energy, mistakes, losses and pains do not subdue him, and failures are steps in the ladder of success, for he is very much conscious about the certainty of his final victory and final achievements. And finally, all things at last yield to the silent, irresistible, all-conquering energy of purpose. Then we can very confidently tell, my friends, you are the master of your fate and you are the captain of your soul. We can make our character by following the path of cause and effect. As we sow, so shall we reap. Everything is in our hands. We can control our final results by sowing the right seed. May God bless you, and I wish you all great success in life. But be very sure, have the 6 basics of success principles implemented with bulldog determination, which never shakes, which never deviates, which never compromises on principle, creed and philosophy of success. That is the definition of purpose. That is your burning desire, obsessed desire to have it, then decided to start without any procrastination, with tremendous belief and faith in your power of personality and infinite intelligence, backed by persistent, continual action towards the attainment of your definite chief aim in life, and aligning yourself with experts in that line with a well-organized, intelligent, practical plan of action. Success belongs to you. You are a success. But just believe in that. Fill your mind with positive idea. Formulate, stamp indelibly, and hold tenaciously your definite purpose of your life, the fixed purpose of your life, and you are gallant, you are great, you are victorious. You know nothing except what you dreamed and desired in life. It is waiting for you, but you have to tread down all the difficulties and dangers with a will, always to strive, to seek, to find, and never to yield. This is Virendra here, thanking you very much for being a part towards becoming successful and making millions successful. The little Napoleon Hill, that is Virendra dear. Thank you very much.